Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're getting crafty for Valentine's Day with a super cute and easy to make gift box for your favorite coffee or tea lover. We're using our trusty Cricut to create this adorable box using just 2 colors of paper. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. Colorful paper, glue, cutting machine, and my design. First, we need to design our box in Cricut Design Space. I've already created a template for you, which you can find in the description box below. This template includes all the pieces you'll need to cut out. Always start with ungrouping the design when working with Design Space. Then attach the score lines to the right object. If you don't have a Cricut and you use a different design program, don't worry. This file is compatible with all cutting programs. If you'd like your design to match a specific color, simply use Color Sync. It's incredibly easy, just drag the object onto the desired color. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. I know many design programs, so if you have questions about that, it's no problem at all. I will answer you as quick as possible. I try to use my materials wisely. If I can move something around to save space, I'll adjust how everything is placed on the mat. If you like my tutorial, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I have many tutorials and projects with different materials. For example, I made a cute Valentine gift box and a shadow box card and many more. This design is very straightforward. The box has only 2 parts. Just follow the score lines, glue the edges, and attach the bottom. I make my files with a dash line so your machine can cut properly. For the Cricut makers, I have added an extra file so they can use their scoring stylus pen. You can use glue or double adhesive tape to ensemble the box. With the top of the box finished, we're ready to add the heart decorations. Feel free to add embellishments like glitter, gems, or ribbons. Again, just follow the score lines, glue the edges, and attach the bottom. Just to prove there's more than one way to do it, I'm going to start with the bottom. If you like my tutorial, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more projects and tutorials. There's your box. Remember that epoxy mug we made? If you haven't seen that tutorial, go check it out on my channel. Now we can make the heart tag to add on the box and put a name or text on. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more DIY crafts and inspiration. Thanks for watching.